This is a 15-minute guided meditation for the Sun in Virgo. Using the affirmation, I embrace my true authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Let's take a few moments. Let's get settled, quiet. Make sure that we're in a space where we will not be disturbed for the next 15 minutes. As we sit in our space, we can imagine that very special place that we go to for our meditations, that most favorite place on this planet where we find peace, where we find joy. It could be at the beach. It could be in the forest. It could be at a mountaintop. But let's find that space. That place where we find peace. We find connectedness. Listen to the sounds around us. Do we hear the birds? Maybe we hear the luscious rain of the rainforest, crashing of waves against the shore. See the beauty that surrounds us in our space. The colors of the sky, the lushness of the forest, the cool dampness of the inside of a cave. Smell the salty air, the thick pine scent of the forest. What do we smell? What do we feel? Do we feel the coolness of the forest embracing us? The heat of the sun against our backs. The granules of sand against our feet. And now that we are comfortable in our place, our special place, remembering we can come here anytime by closing our eyes. To meet up with that part of ourselves that is greater than we can experience consciously in our physical bodies. Let's take a deep cleansing breath. On this deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Let's take the breath. We release all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. We see all the negativity, all the darkness, all the toxicity. It's flowing out of our physical etheric bodies. We see all our pain, all our discomfort, all our health issues. They're flowing out of our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light, made up of white light, love, and the will to good. And this white light fills our physical etheric bodies, healing and renewing. Let's take our second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. We see all the darkness leaving our emotional astral bodies, going out. It's going out, flowing out to wherever it came from. We see all our woundedness, all our unworthiness, all our lack, all our sadness, all flowing out of our bodies. In its place, we're being filled by this beautiful white light, filling, healing, renewing our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity leaving our bodies, and we see it being replaced by this beautiful white light. We see all the darkness, all the negativity leaving our bodies. We see all the judgment, all the criticism, all the self-righteousness leaving our bodies. And in its place, we are being filled, our mental bodies are being filled by this beautiful white light that heals, renews our mental bodies, both higher and lower. All this light now goes out, this white light goes out and forms a protective circle around us. This circle, this bubble, is deflecting all evil, all negativity, all toxicity, all low vibration, all back to its source. Now, while we are in this space of white light, connected with our higher selves, we are going to say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Let's say it together now. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. And in this space of white light connected to our higher selves, we look into the sacred pool and we see our reflection. Oh, yes. We do see our failures. Yes. We do see our bruises. Yes. do see our cuts. We see our mistakes. We see our imperfections. We offer these imperfections to our higher self, to the universe. Let's offer to our higher self. Dear higher self, take these wounded parts of myself and heal them, renew them, so that I can experience who I truly am. See those parts of ourselves. See Spirit taking those parts of ourselves, those broken, jagged pieces of ourselves. Spirit says, look back into the mirror now. Who is it that we see? What color are our eyes? What color is our hair? What kind of build do we have? Are we tiny? Are we big and burly? Embrace it, because we were made to be exactly who we are seeing in the sacred pool, in our mirror. We've allowed parents, teachers, society, work, partners to cover up this incredible, true, authentic self who we are. We look, we see our beauty, we see our divinity. We see our gloriousness. We see our light. And now we shine our light, our true, authentic self out into the world. And now we come back to our place of comfort and of peace. We thank our spirit guide for connecting with us today and allowing us to see who we truly are. Let's remember who we saw in that mirror today, in that sacred pool. And let's take our true, authentic selves with us out into the world today so that our light can shine for the world, for our brothers and sisters, so that we can do our part in contributing to the goodness of the whole. Namaste.